Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we will look at what happened on day 5 of Tamil Nadu Management Counseling. That is the updates from 24th December 2020 we will be looking at in this particular video. Before going into today's topic, I just want to remind the NEET aspirants about the Unacademy Combat. Unacademy Combat is the fortnightly competition for NEET aspirants conducted by Unacademy. You can participate and compete with lots of candidates. These are some of the challenging questions that are curated by the best Unacademy educators, and you are going to compete with the best, those who are all going to compete with you in the real NEET exam. And this is the third contest. In fact, 2 contests has already been completed. This is the third contest that is going to happen on December 27th, time 11 a.m. So there will be a separate combat for class 11, separate competition for class 12, and separate competition for repeaters. And you will be having 4 rounds of 7 questions each from different subjects, that is physics, chemistry, zoology, and botany. And then the 28 questions you have to answer within 60 minutes, within 1 hour. The scoring pattern will be similar to NEET. So if you are interested, I will provide a link to this combat in the description below. This is completely free. Okay, so no need to worry. This is completely free. So you can sign up and participate in the combat. I will also provide a referral code. You need to use a referral code to sign up. And this is the syllabus for the combat 3. And another bigger advantage is detailed video solutions will be released by the Unacademy's top educators. And then not only you are participating and learning along, you are also entitled for some awards or some prizes if you are among the top candidates. So if you are interested, you can enroll in Unacademy Combat and use the code JustGetMBBS. So I will provide a link to this Unacademy Combat as well as the referral code in the description. As we all know, on this particular day, that is 24 December 2020, the counseling happened only for the minority category students. That is, the Telugu minority and Malayalam minority candidates only had been called for counseling. So if you look at the Telugu minority seats, Tiruchi SRM 1 seat had been allotted. Annapurna Salem 5 seats had been allotted. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan 7 seats had been allotted. And Karpagam Coimbatore got about 33 candidates opting for this particular college. So on 24th December, a total of 46 candidates had been allotted seats under Telugu minority. And if you look at the Malayalam minority, we have only 1 college under Malayalam minority, that is Sri Moogambigai Medical College at Kanyakumari. And 28 seats available at Sri Moogambigai has been taken up by candidates on 24 December 2020. And if you look at the total seats allotted on this particular day, totally 74 MBBS seats had been allotted on 24th December 2020. Now let's look at the vacancies at the end of day 5 counseling for the management quota seats. So if you look at Annapurna Salem, we have 10 seats still vacant for Telugu minority and 22 seats available under NRI lapsed. So totally we have 32 seats. So the Tamil Nadu Selection Committee has not called enough candidates under Telugu minority. So all the seats available under Telugu minority could not be filled on 24th December. They have called only 107 candidates and the 107 candidates took only 46 seats. So that left to a lot of vacancies under Telugu minority. Now, most likely these seats will be added to the management quota round 2. So those Telugu minority candidates who are below the mark which was called on 24th December, you can still be hopeful. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan, again 33 seats are still vacant under Telugu minority and 22 seats under NRI lapsed. So totally we have 55 seats still vacant. Indra Medical College Thiruvallur, 23 NRI lapsed seats are vacant. Karpaga Vinayaka, still we have 12 NRI lapsed seats vacant. Karpagam Coimbatore, we have 19 NRI lapsed. KMCH Coimbatore, as of now, there is no vacancies. Mada Medical College, we still have 23 NRI lapsed. Melmaruthur Adiparasakti, we have 19 NRI lapsed seats. Padimalar Medical College, Chennai, we still have 15 NRI lapsed. PSG Coimbatore, no vacancies as of now. Sri Mugambigai Kanyakumari, all the Malayalam minority seats had been taken up. Only 11 NRI lapsed seats are vacant. Tagore Medical College, Chennai, 22 NRI lapsed seats are still available. Tiruchi SRM, 14 NRI lapsed seats are available. Velamal Madurai, no seats available. CMC Velur, no seats available as of now. So this adds up to a grand total of 43 seats still available under Telugu minority. 202 NRI lapsed seats are still available. So that leads to 245 vacancies at the end of round 1. So most likely the Tamil Nadu Selection Committee will move on to round 2 now. That's what I believe. So most likely from Monday, that is 28 December, they may start the government quota round 2, and subsequently they may come back to management quota round 2. And at that time, these 245 seats may be presented again to candidates. Now, if you look at the cutoff for minority seats, I'm only looking at those colleges where seats had already been closed. So Sri Mugambigai, where the Malayalam minority seats all had been closed. If you look at the closing rank, it is management rank 11,136 and NEET marks 235. And Tiruchi SRM, the closing rank is 5144 for a NEET mark of 419. And Karpagam Coimbatore, the closing rank for Telugu minority seats. I'm only talking about the Telugu minority seats for Tiruchi SRM and Karpagam Coimbatore. The closing rank is 8,515 and NEET marks 319. So this is the cutoff for minority seats in these 3 colleges. So let's wait for further schedule from Tamil Nadu Selection Committee. I believe the counseling will again start from Monday, 28 December. Anyway, let's wait for the counseling schedule from Tamil Nadu Selection Committee. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.